It looks like all the leaks and rumors are true. DJI is releasing the Action 3 in mid-September and is going back to the body design of the Osmo Action. DJI has teased the release of the Action 3 on social media, and the announcement is coming in days. Now let's get into all the details. DJI has not released any technical details, but Deals Drones has leaked some interesting items. Now let's compare the Action 3 with the anticipated Hero 11. It's going to be waterproof up to 16 meters compared to GoPro's 10 meters. That's a nice feature, I guess, if you're a diver. It also looks like the magnetic quick release from the DJI Action 2 is going to be incorporated into the 3. I've heard a lot of good things about that system, so I'm interested to see what kind of mounting options are going to be available. I'm going to continue to keep you up to date on all the latest action camera news, reviews, and how-tos, so make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Vertical video is here to stay, and it looks like DJI hints at this feature in the promo video clip. This next feature is something that I'm really interested in. It says low temperature. Maybe DJI has found a way to fix a problem that plagues all action cameras, and that's overheating. If they have, I'm curious how they're able to do it. And longer battery life is always a plus. We don't know enough to say whether the Action 3 is going to be a hero slayer, but we're going to find out soon. DJI announced an event for September the 14th with a silhouette of an action camera. To get all the latest details on the Action 3, click the end screen now.